Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. Media Player is one of the important tools for play the video on Windows computer. By default, Windows comes with Windows Media Player, but this player will not play some format such as MKV file format. So, if you would like to play any kind of video, then you can install VLC Media Player. Let's learn how you can install the VLC Media Player on Windows 11. In your Windows 11 computer, you have to go to Microsoft Store. Here you have to search the VLC Media. Then you have to select the VLC app. But installing the VLC Media Player from Microsoft Store, some feature is not available because it's a lightweight app. Then you can install from the VideoLAN website. So we have to close this, open the browser. First you have to open the videolan.org website. Then you have to click on the download VLC button. This will be download the VLC Media Player exe file. Then you have to double click on the exe file. It will be run the exe file. You have to choose the language as you need. Here you can choose the path where you have to install this software. I am leaving the default path, so click on the install button. After finish the installation, you have to click on the finish. This will be open the VLC Media Player. You can open the any one of video file by click on open file and choose the video file, then click to open. This media player can be run any video file format. So in this way you can install the Windows Media Player on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.